Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to another stream. Ba-bum! I'm back. Welcome back to another stream. Thank you for joining me. And yeah, we'll be looking at plenty today. Be having another good time. And yeah, obviously, really good stream yesterday. Following on from that, still got the face cam on. It's here to stay, that's for sure. But yeah, thank you very much. Do drop a like on the stream to get that algorithm going for us straight away. And yeah, we'll obviously be covering all things crypto market and anything else that we can come across. So yeah, let me know who we've got in the chat. Let me just put some background music on. And we'll have a nice little ambiance in the background. So we've got TMG in straight away from the off. First comment as well. First comment today from TMG. Very good. Hello to you, boss. We got Flynn saying, are we going to the moon today? I doubt it, but yeah, we'll see. Steve O, howdy. Markets are looking sexy. Yes, looking good, aren't they? You saying afternoon to you? Afternoon to you, mate. Dave went OF page. Oh God, Steve, you don't want to see that. Jasmine. Oh yeah, we'll have a look at Jasmine. Afternoon. Stonksy said second-hand sandwich. Afternoon to you, second-hand sandwich. Thank you very much for joining the stream. GI Yaris for the win. What is that? I don't know what that is. TMG saying, Dave, am I going to get wrecked shorting today? Hopefully not, no. Hopefully not. We would, I think we should probably see like a flush out at some point, shouldn't we? But I hope not. Dip to the moon saying good morning. And I longed Jasmine looking good. I didn't. I should have just longed it where it was, shouldn't I, yesterday? Should have just longed it where it was and took the risk on it. But yeah, there we go. We'll have a look at Jasmine. Where is it? 3-2, yeah. So it was all the way down here when we were looking at it, weren't it? Which is quite annoying. But that is the game that we're in, isn't it? That is the game that we're in. Let me just get rid of that. But yeah, if you haven't seen the latest Stonksy video, it went live not too long ago. So after the stream, do go and check that out. It's a fantastic video, obviously put together by yours truly. So yeah, go and check that out and give it a watch, give it a like. Thank you very much. Let's see who we've got in the chat. Do make sure that you all drop a like on the stream as well and subscribe if you're new. If you happen to be new around these parts, welcome to the stream. And yeah, here we cover all things markets, all things, data. And we do obviously dip into other markets as well. TMG saying, check XRP 1 hour chart. It's been incredible. Yeah, I was literally just looking at then as well. Because I pulled it all the way up to here. And yeah, it's been absolutely superb, hasn't it? It's been absolutely superb. And as you can see, obviously we got the background indication, but then we also got, the bullish arrow coming in there as well before we really took off. And we are, so if we go to the 4 hour, obviously we was looking at the breakout yesterday of the trend line, which we got. And yeah, now it's really rocketing. Now, I don't actually know what its all-time high was. Let's see. Let's go and have a look. So it was 330. Oh, so it's pretty much there, isn't it? It's pretty much there at an all-time high. Oh, interesting. Very interesting. Let's compare the volume. Oh, yeah. But yeah, interesting. We are pretty much approaching an XRP all-time high, so we'll probably see that live on stream. 330. Is that right? It should have it somewhere, shouldn't it? To say... Oh, no. Oh, all-time high, 384. There we go. 384 on January the 4th, 2018. So we are just under 16% away. 384 it is. So yeah, we will. I doubt we'll see that live on stream today, but potentially we'll see it this week. Who knows? You should move the webcam to the bottom corner to show the ticket and the top of the chat. Let me have a look at that then. actually. Save, update layout. How's that? There we go. Boom. Yeah, good. Yeah, good point. Actually, I didn't even think about the fact that it would be covering this top left-hand corner. Thank you very much for that, Jordan. Yeah, it does look better there, doesn't it? Does look much better. Doesn't take out this space here. Got a CG in. Afternoon, all. Hello to you. Thank you very much for joining me. And we do have Justin in, saying hi, mate. Hello, mate. How are we doing? Thank you very much for joining me again today. What are your thoughts on the market at the moment? But yeah, XRP is just getting a gigapump in it. Absolute gigapump. So it's all time. What was it? All time high, 384. Let's see. Let's put it on there. Let me move my toolbox up. Coordinates 384, and we'll have the text as all-time high in white. There we go. So yeah, we are 17% away-ish, pretty much 18% away from an all-time high on XRP, which would be something really, considering, you know, say if it went to $4 and then carried on going towards $5, then it's just significantly outperforming Sol and ETH now at this point. Because even Sol, you know, basically just got a little fart over its all-time high, didn't it? It only went over it by a couple dollars and then tanked. ETH's obviously been nowhere near. So could XRP really be the first? I know BNB's been over on it by quite a bit, I think. I think BNB's been over by quite a bit. Hello, Reggie. Hey, Milky Bar Kid, how you doing? Do you know what? I probably look more like the Milky Bar Kid today because of this overshirt that I've got on, don't I? I think the Milky Bar Kid wears something like this. Very happy with the market right now. Yeah, it's juicy, isn't it, mate? It's juicy. Afternoon. Hello to you, Anthony. Keep up the good work, incognito, Dave. Yes, mate. Great to see you. If you haven't already, please do drop a like on the stream, everyone. And if you're new, subscribe. Welcome to Stonksy. Just need the all-time high to come on Bitcoin, and then my chart from early December would have played out to perfection. Very nice. And what would you be eyeing from there then? What would you be eyeing? So say if we went to all-time high, you know, 108, 109K, what would you be expecting from then on? Need the tartan top. Oh, is it a tartan one? Oh, I don't know. I'll have to have a look. Let's go and have a look. Oh, yeah. Yeah, oh, yeah. It's like a sheriff's jacket, innit? It's like a sheriff's jacket. Is that the kid off... That's not the kid off Stuart Little, is it? Is that the kid that was on Stuart Little? It looks exactly like him. Surely not. It looks a lot like him, though, doesn't it? The kid off Stuart Little. Is that him? It wasn't me. I must confess, I wasn't a childhood star. Where do you think XRP will cool off? Oh, what a question that is. I don't know. Don't know was the honest answer. Depends if it gets a clean break of all-time high or not. If it goes up there, maybe gets a tip over and then gets back below. That could be the cool-off point, like we've seen on Sol. So we saw that on Sol, didn't we? Went over by a couple dollars, got back underneath, and then it's obviously just retraced since then. Could see that on XRP, potentially. And we got Wiz. Yes, Wiz. Oh, here he is. Here I am, and here you are. Thank you very much for joining me again, mate. Thank you for jumping into the stream. Yeah, should be a good one today. So it should be a good stream. Let me know what you want to see. There's not really been... Oh, well, let's have a look, actually. So, obviously, since yesterday's stream, we went a bit higher, didn't we, on Bitcoin? I think we was around 99,500 when I ended the stream yesterday. It would have been... Hang on. Would have been on this candle, yeah. It would have been on this candle, pretty much. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So yeah, we did go a little bit higher, but an extra K or so, and then come down. But we have obviously come down, and then yeah, we've seen some good absorption on these 1 hour candles. Now, what did the S&P get up to yesterday? So pretty similar pattern, really. Pretty similar pattern. And what's the DXY doing? Obviously, full recovery from the dump down yesterday, and looks like it's pushing back upwards. But yeah, pretty juicy market out there, isn't it? It's a pretty juicy market. What have you been trading? Let me know. Afternoon, Mike. How you doing, mate? Great to see you. Suey? Question mark. Yeah, we can look at Suey. We can look at Suey. That's Dave's real hair too. It is. This is my real hair, correct? 100% authentic hair. Bullish on Justin. Toshi? What about Toshi? Is that supposed to be code for something? Oh, what have I done there? So Suey is still battling with this daily region. However, we did close above it yesterday. And we did obviously dip all the way down today. But we are getting some good absorption. See it forming a nice long tail there. Similar to this candle, really. Very similar to this candle at the moment that it's forming. So, yeah. Interesting. Suey potentially looking primed for another rally now. Potentially looking primed for another rally. What do you think? I'm here. Oh, Rollertex here. Oh, Rollertex here. How we doing, mate? Velo is juicy. Oh, we'll have a look at Velo. And Justin and Wiz are making love in the chat. Let's have a look at Velo. I don't think I've got it on the thingy, however. Velo. Oh yeah, get a nice bit of expansion to the upside, isn't it? After consolidation. Let's see, where is it on the weekly? Oh yeah. Oh, that is looking juicy, isn't it? That is looking juicy. What have I got outlined here? What is this line? I don't know where that... Is that going all the way back to the left or something? I don't know why that's there. But yeah, looking juicy. Looking like, yeah. It's looking ready for just a big giga candle, isn't it? Looking ready for a big giga candle. Nice performance there by Stonksy as well. Getting into the green on the weekly there. And yes, really starting to curve up now. Really starting to get that curvature up. Which, if we get... where is it? Where is the curve? The curve. The curve. Now, can I do this? Yeah, see, sometimes what you do see is when something has like a curvature. Do you know what? Actually, we'll start it from there. When something has like a curvature pattern like that, you do normally tend to get like a blow off top, sort of. Now, not to say it's the top of the cycle, but it's looking like, you know, one of them ones where it's hugging the curve, and then you do get just this big expansive green candle to the upside. More than merrier. Of course, I would join in. So yeah, that's what it's looking like at the moment. Looking like it's just going to really bolt the curve soon. Is this one of your low leverage longs, Wiz? I imagine it probably is. Sol's doing decent, isn't it? Sol's doing decent. Up 5% today, while Bitcoin's down 1% and ETH's down nearly 3%. Some good outperformance by Sol there. We did discuss this, obviously, on, I think it was it Monday or Tuesday, about Sol getting its strength back. And so far, it's running with it, isn't it? So far, it is getting its strength back. Real good daily performance so far. And Wiz says it is Sol season after all. Yes, Wiz is the dev. Wiz is the dev behind Sol season. But yeah, let me know in the chat what you'd like me to cover. I think someone said, oh yeah, someone said Jasmine, didn't we? Yeah, we didn't get my entry on Jasmine yesterday, unfortunately. Pretty much where we were looking at it, and when I set that limit order for down here, it's pretty much just gone up only since then, unfortunately. But there we go. That's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes, isn't it? You can't get the entry on everything. Luckily, I did close that Bitcoin long short that I had on yesterday after the stream. Let's go and see where I closed it. Order history. So yeah, I did close it at 99,679, which ended up being a good decision because I pretty much oh no, I wouldn't have been stopped out, but I got very close to being potentially stopped out. Yeah, so far been a good decision on that. Could re-enter now if I wanted to, but I don't think I will. Donald wanting to create a strategic reserve of US coins. Oh, is he now? Where have you seen this, Wiz? Where's this news? Has it just happened now? Where have you seen this? Is Solana a US coin then? I didn't even... Well, I suppose it probably is, isn't it? Because FTX was one of the backers of it. It just doesn't sound like something, does it? It doesn't sound... It sounds like it would have come from like Europe or something. Solana. Is Solana a US coin? Is that why some things are pumping? Would be great to see a live Stonksy scalping stream, Dave. I have done it. I have done that, yeah. And we can do that. We can do that. That was the leaks today. Oh, is it? All are ripping. Let's go and have a look at XLM. I must have X'd it off. Let's have a look at XLM. And we'll pull up HBAR as well, because them three really moving closely together, aren't they? Let's see. Yeah, so XLM's up 4%, ripping. And HBAR's up 10. So HBAR, this is something that we've been looking at for a while now. Broken out of its flag. So we've been watching this flag for a good while on stream, really. But yeah, we have broken out of the flag now. So following, as you can see on XRP, obviously it broke out of its diagonal. Obviously we're missing the bottom part of the flag there. But yeah, and it's really ripping. You can see HBAR's following it. So HBAR's following it closely behind, and then XLM looks like it's got some catching up to do. But looks like it is catching up now. It's kind of at the same pace as HBAR, in it. But apart from obviously HBAR's up another 7% today. But yeah, them two obviously following closely behind XRP. But I did not know about that. I've not seen it. He loves it, doesn't he, Donald? Donald absolutely loves it. May him bless our coins in 2025. Come on, Donald. Bless our coins. I don't actually hold any of them three, to be fair. So it doesn't really do much good for me. However, let it all trickle down. Let the rotation happen. Let it all trickle down, and it will benefit us eventually, even if you don't hold any. Short HBAR. You don't want to. Not shorting that. Not going anywhere near that strength on HBAR. I mean, you could have a stab at it. You could have a stab at it. Just make sure you've got tight risk management. Because yeah, they look destined. They're the strongest movers in the market. If we get another push up on Bitcoin, they're gonna go. Solana is pumping hard. It is. Afternoon, Donald. Hello, quote. How you doing? Those candles will be lovely to short after the cycle. Yeah, too early to go now. Yeah, you don't want to be shorting strength like this in the market. In my opinion, of course. Go and do what you want. You have free reign. It won't trickle down when people realise these coins will be tax-free in the USA. It will. It will. Because why would people want to hold? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether the tax-free or not. Once the cycle's over, it's over. Everything will get crushed eventually. when Bitcoin turns, when Bitcoin eventually turns and the cycle tops in, doesn't matter if XRP, HBAR, XLM are all tax-free, they will all get crushed alongside the rest of the market. There is no coin that is bear market proof. So you will have people who take profits. Of course you will. Doge also. Yeah, Doge is probably, yeah. Well, obviously, yeah, because of Elon. Let's see what it's doing. Let's go down to the hourly. Yeah, performing really nice. As you can see, Stonksy's caught a super, super nice long here. As it has on Solana as well. We've got that bullish confirmation on Solana there as well, right before it popped. Right before it went pop. Tesla had a good day yesterday, didn't it? Down a bit pre-market. How's Nvidia doing? Nvidia's up pre-market. But yeah, HBAR, again, another superb long quarter on Stonksy. So if you are looking to join Stonksy, you get full access to the indicator, and you also get full access to the Discord server as well. That's the second link in the description. Do come and join us. It'll take you to, I'll just show you the page. So that link will take you to this page. And then, yeah, you just select a plan that you want. So monthly. The good thing about obviously paying with the monthly is you're not tied into any contract or anything. So, you know, if you're looking to join us at Stonksy, yeah, come and try us for a month. Works out roughly £4 to £5 per day. So superb value for money. These are all card payment sign-ups. And then if you do want to pay with crypto, it's this. But if you do find that the asset or the network isn't available on this portal, just drop us an email, say what plan you want and how you want to pay, and we'll get that sorted for you. Actually, it probably will trickle down because there will be no tax when you sell. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's a good point, yeah. Yeah, people will just be free to sell whenever they want, won't they? I've been buying Hype too, airdrop coming up. Hype fell into a really good place as well, the one that we was watching on stream. You can't see it as well on the one day because it was a very short-lived thing, yeah. But this is obviously what we marked out on stream a couple of weeks ago. And yeah, so far it's coming off nicely. Obviously, we did get another drop down to retest the area. But yeah, so far so good on this plan. Pretty much coming off nicely. What's DOP doing? Nice recovery from down there, isn't it? On DOP. We have kept a close eye on DOP. Let's go and see what gold's doing. I haven't looked at gold in a while. Getting a nice push up, isn't it? What is gold's all-time high now? 2790. And as you can see, really, really nice call by Stonksy from down here. Down around, yeah, about around 2K, maybe just below on the weekly. Catching all the move up, high time frame. And then obviously the digital gold as well. Check out Tau. Yeah, I can have a look at Tau. People will rotate into where there is more upside. Eventually XRP, HBAR, XLM, the risk reward for holding will become very, 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 very low. And people will just take the profits and go, right, well, what's not pumped now? Algorand is another USA coin. Let's have a look. Interesting. Oh, yeah, 8%. Yeah, they're all just following each other, aren't they? Again, you can see the power of Stonksy there, calling the move there. Bang. Let's have someone wanting me to look at Tau. So Tau, what is this region? Yeah. So, obviously, this zone is something that I outlined the last time we looked at Tau, I'm guessing. And so far, we did obviously drop out of it slightly when Bitcoin got that liquidation move. However, we've held it strongly and obviously bouncing from there. So, yeah, nice. And, yeah, as you can see, not real much to the recent price action for finding trouble. Pretty much just traded in. This is sort of like a range, isn't it? You can see here it's pretty much found resistance around, you know, this sort of area up here. So it looks like it could potentially have a smooth road back towards above. Well, we're at towards 550 and above potentially. On the stock side, soon seems to be settling into the next leg up. Is this the one that you've been accumulating? Hang on. Just going to have to turn the camera off a sec. I need a drink. I'll be back on camera in a minute. I'm still here, just having a drink. That's nice. Currently drinking zero sugar lilt. Zero sugar lilt. Delicious. Oh, that hits the spot. What's your drink of choice? Let me know when you're sat at your desk trading or whatever it is that you're doing. What is your drink of choice? And I'm back. Oh. Yeah. Pulled back, so loaded on the pullback. Oh, did you? Beep. Got a little air horn going for when we have a good moment on stream. Got a good moment for when we a good air horn for when we have a good moment on stream. Can you add our Doge TA? Sure. Why not? So you have Red Bull, Mike. Oh, mate, that stuff will rot your insides. I know, obviously, this probably isn't as good for artificial sweeteners and stuff, but energy drinks will rot your insides. But, you know, live and let live, innit? Sparkling water, says Sample. I like sparkling water. Do you know what I love? When I go out somewhere, to a restaurant, you know, for having something to eat, I love blackcurrant and soda water. Can't get better. It is the best drink ever. Just blackcurrant and soda water. Oh, got some of that on my trackpad. Yeah, blackcurrant and soda water, the best. Can't beat a brew. Yeah. Very true, yeah. I do love myself a cup of tea. Water, says Scotty. Barocca. Isn't that a thing that you take when you're ill? It's Charlie Sloth, lol. I saw him in Heathrow Airport the other day. What's Charlie Sloth, Jordan? What does he use that? What does he use, like an air horn or something? This. Is that what you mean? What's this? Just had something pop up on my phone. Love blackcurrant and soda. Yeah. Oh, it's goated, in it. It's goated. Vimto with plenty of ice. Ooh, good decision. Very good. I am ill. Oh, let me put I need to put daydreaming back on, don't I? The air horn. Oh, the air horn's crazy, isn't it? The air horn's great. Right. Someone wanted me to look at Doge. Someone wanted me to look at Doge. Let's see. Let's see what it is on the weekly. Obviously, it had what did it have? Like a 5x run up or something. This was the most obvious run in the whole of crypto, this, weren't it? from where it was down there, it wasn't really too far away from like its lows and stuff. To just have a punt on that in September that Trump was going to win the election was just the most obvious thing ever. I didn't do it. Did anyone do that? Just like, thinking like 2 months ahead. I didn't, but it was, looking back, it's just the most obvious play probably for the whole of 2024, isn't it? However, it's found good, obviously, monthly support down here, weekly support when it's obviously retraced from its move. Now, if we go down to the daily, you can see that even better. Obviously, compression, drop down, compression, finding a good base here, around here. Then move up, rejected from sort of this sort of zone that we've got here. And then obviously come back down, tested it again, and then it's going back up. Now it needs to break above sort of this region here. Obviously you can see resistance, flip to support. Oh, not even on the hour. Flip to support, resistance. So yeah, we need to flip back above this. Oh, come on, man. So yeah, flip this to support, and then back off to the races then. That's it. What was the other one? What was the other one? I can't remember what was the other one that you asked for. Oh, Adder. Let's have a look at Adder. But if you have just joined the stream recently, do make sure you drop a like. And if you're new, welcome to Stonksy. Do subscribe. Adder similar structure to Doge actually, innit? Kind of. Similar structure. However, again, it's coming up. Now you can see here, obviously, all these daily candles pretty much closed. Well, obviously, apart from the red ones, around the same level. Now it is coming up to pressure this. So we kind of need, obviously, a clean break above this zone here. Clean break above there. And then it's going to head back towards here. So, break above. Obviously, close a daily candle above. Hold it, any retest on lower time frame. And then, back up towards there. Then, if it gets back below here, then, you are, the idea is cooked. There you go. Very easy. Are you waiting on anything to enter a trade right now? Not really, no. I mean, it'd be interesting to see what happens in US Open, but if we come across anything interesting, we'll open another trade, yeah? The errands, lol. On Radio 1 Extra, when it used to do it, you are too young. A lot of the people will know. 10 p.m. on a Friday in Tesco car park, Charlie Sloth on revving up cars. Epic. When you were of driving age, he had to quit to sell vodka and party. Yeah, I was going to say, I didn't even know he was a radio host. What actually is he then now? What is he? I don't know why. When I heard the name, I thought he was a singer. Is he not? Or is he? I have no idea what he is. Doge is going to rip to the upside very soon, hopefully. Then the meme coin meta will be back. I remember that, says Reggie. TMG, go live, bro. TMG says, I got destroyed on the challenge the other day, but not to the point of explosion. It's now looking better back at 11k. So there we go, a little update on the challenge for everyone. Up 240% on XRP. Yes, that's what we want. Well done. TMG said the challenge account was up to 20k beforehand. Florian says, late again to the party. Not too late though, Florian. Not as late as yesterday. Didn't you have to go back and watch the whole thing from the start yesterday? Are you in a trade now? I'm guessing that's maybe directed towards TMG. It must be, because he was asking about the challenge. Question, mate. I have a lot of longs on alt running, all in profit. Would you let them run? It's up to you, mate. It's up to you what you think the market's going to do next. What I would be doing is at the very least, having your stop loss in some sort of profit. That would be the very least. Maybe adding a trailing stop, or just slowly moving your stop loss up or closing them. It's completely up to you what you think is going to happen next. Obviously, we could get anything today. We could get a flush out. We could get whatever. Obviously we've had. I don't know why this line keeps disappearing on my chart. But yeah, we've had obviously a decent run up on Bitcoin. Now, at some point, we will probably get a flush out, which I think if the flush comes, we'll probably retrace the full CPI candle, take this liquidity between these below these equal lows. So if we did get a flush, I'd probably be expecting this. Below that, and then we're probably heading towards down here, towards 95. But that's something I'd be watching out for if, and obviously in asterisks, if we do get the flush. We might not. We might carry on to the upside. But that's something I'd be watching for. What a good AI plays. Does Griffin look good? Someone was asking about Griffin the other day. Someone asked about Griffin the other day. This looks heavy. It looks heavy. This looks like lower time frame distribution. This looks heavy. Yeah. At the moment, I would say don't touch this with a barge pole. We've had a big explosive move up, consolidation within a range, broke below the range. So this looks heavy. This looks like it could just Bart. So, the old Bart Simpson pattern. Yeah, this looks like it. So at the moment, I wouldn't touch this with a barge pole. Let's go and see what else we've got moving today. Let's go and have a look because I've not checked yet. Let's see. Top 100 gainers. We've got Chain, XCN moving the most. Then obviously Algo, XRP, HBAR all behind it. Litecoin's on the move because I'm guessing Litecoin's probably a US coin as well, isn't it? Let's go and have a look. I haven't looked at Litecoin in ages. There's one coin that no one ever mentions in the chat, and it is Litecoin. However, it's holding up pretty well, to be fair. It's holding up pretty well compared to obviously the rest. Guessing it's obviously getting that US narrative push. I can't remember why I had all these lines drawn on there. No idea. Pretty interesting, like. But yeah, crucially, at the moment, it looks like it's obviously flipped this region back to support. Obviously, if we close up here, because we obviously did use this as support, got back below, retested this region here, resistance. Then yesterday, failed to close above, dropped back down today, but now pushing back to the upside. We'll see what happens when we get up to there. That'll be the crucial bit. If we can get above 125, then yeah, we'll be going back towards here. Yeah, interesting. But we have dropped below 99k now. So let's see what happens. I would long this. Tight stop in validation line, but I would long it. Bit of a dump starting. Looks like potentially momentum subsiding, doesn't it? So I mean, let's go and see where liquidity is. Let's go and see where liquidity is. So we have got lots of liquidity below. We've got lots of liquidity below now. You know, down towards 98, below 98, towards 97.5. So it looks like we're probably going to get a flush. Yeah, lots of liquidity down there towards 97. It's pretty much 98. Where's them two? That's 96.5. Yeah, that was, oh yeah, it's there, isn't it, then? That'd be full clearance of liquidity. I would actually favour that. Let's see. Obviously, yeah, loads of liquidity down there from where we got the dump down the other day. That might stay there, though. That could possibly stay there. However, yeah, I would this liquidity that's all resting, pretty much all within this candle, could be up for the taking. Which I would like this. Hello, James. Not sure what's been talked about so far, but there are, but it looks like a nice head and shoulders pattern, aiming to the downside on the short time scales. Looks like there's potentially one forming on Bitcoin, doesn't it? Yeah. Let's turn Stonksy back on. I forgot I even had it off. Looks like there's potentially one on Bitcoin here. You know, neckline break is what we want, and then yeah, so we'll see. We have loads of liquidity all down towards the bottom of this candle. I would like this. So we'll see if we're giving it or not. Maybe don't get that lucky. Who knows? But let me know in the chat what you want me to look at. Let me know in the chat what you'd like me to look at, chat. And do make sure you've dropped a like. And if you're new, subscribe. Welcome to the Stonksy channel. Would we bounce if we flush, do you think, or continue down? I've got the scenario drawn out here, what I would like, yeah? I would think that we would bounce in this scenario. We just come and take all the liquidity that's been building up here from people longing the news. We take out these two equal lows here, where on this candle here, there's probably loads of people that was long in this that have put the stops below here. So we just come and clear them out. You just want to think, obviously, when you're looking at the chart, you can obviously see liquidity there. Yeah, but then also just look on the chart and think, right, if I was going to be someone that was long in the news on this candle, where would I put my stop? Now, say if it got up to there, and you want to enter, just the natural first reaction would be, right, I'll put it below them. I'll put it below the last wick then, which just happens to be equal lows. So that's probably going to be where a lot of the stops are, below here. We come and clear them out. I'll have a stab at a long, and we go to the upside. Does anyone agree, or do you disagree? Let me know in the chat. Do you agree or disagree? But that's what I'd be eyeing. That's what I am eyeing. It's all coming down now. Baker, you just drag everything down with it now. It looks heavy, doesn't it? It looks kind of heavy. It looks heavy. Obviously, Stonksy's caught all the move up, which is fantastic. I need another drink. It gets hot under this bandana, let me tell you. Let me tell you, it gets hot under this bandana. I don't know how I did it yesterday. Yesterday, I pretty much did like the full 2.5 hours. And I think I only really took the bandana down about once. I don't know how I did it. But yeah, it gets hot under there. I'll be back on the camera in a second. If you have just joined, do make sure you drop a like on the stream and do make sure you subscribe. Now, if you are looking to obviously take a trade or the best place for you to buy and sell your SPOS or do any futures trading, do click the first link in the description, and I'll put it in the chat now. Let me put it in the chat. Do sign up to BLOFIN, the best non-KYC exchange in the business. Yeah, you just sign up with an email. There's no KYC verification. Oh, that lilt is delicious. Absolutely delicious. Oh, pardon me. Sorry about that, chat. Right. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. But yeah, we do have an hour and 15 minutes to go until US Open. An hour and 15 minutes to go. Now, for those of you that haven't watched it yet, there is a new Stonksy video on the channel, so do make sure you go and watch it after the stream. Don't go now. Go after the stream. And let's see what's been going on. Let's been see. Oh, there was Wiz. There's Wiz there. There you are, Wizzo. But yeah, Stonksy called the short on ETH. I think this was on the 5-minute time frame. Absolutely superbly. Called it. Look, I think this. I can't remember what time frame this was on. I think it was the 15, maybe. Like Chad's comment there. But yeah, Solana as well, catching all the move up from yesterday. And yeah, here we are today with the stream. But let me know your thoughts. What do you think that we get today? What do you think that we get? Are we going down? Are we staying up? Are we going higher? Let me know what you think that we're going to get. I really wish I would have. See, thing is, I didn't actually get stopped out, but I really wish I would have just left the short open now. I mean, I got very close to being stopped out. My stop was literally there. It was less than $200 away. I should have just rolled it out. But there we go. But yeah, we'll see if we get this clearance of liquidity or resting here. Let's go and have a look at the week. Yeah, nice build up, isn't there? That would give the fuel for higher as well. If we come down, take all these people out, trap shorts here. Shorts would get excited, think that we're going back below sub 90k, and then just rip it back up. But what shall we look at in the meantime? Give me something interesting to look at, chat. Let me know. We could go and cover some more altcoins, but I want to know what you guys want to see. That's what it is. But we have been getting some nice pumps. Oh, even Eagle's pumping. Yeah, nice movement across the board. Now, what should we move on to? I'm not really too sure, to be honest. I'm not really too sure. Let's see. Let's have a look at Say. We did cover Say. Can't remember when we covered Say. Can't remember what I was looking at for here. I have no idea. But yeah, Say. There's another one that's nearly up the most today. And it looks like, yeah, potentially going to come back into this region here where it's found resistance quite a lot of the time. It'd still be a 20% pump towards there, like. Flush out to 93 or so, then up. Do you think we're going to 93 or so? That's interesting. That is interesting. Need to move that out my head. 93. Seems a bit too low for me, that. Seems a bit too low. I'll be honest. Could happen. Of course it could. Seems a bit too low. I think this would be prime for trapping people. We'll have to see. Yeah. Suppose let's have a look at the S&P 5. Where did it get up to yesterday? At the moment, it's just kind of put in another lower high on it. So obviously we've had the high, then we had the lower high. Oh no, well, that wasn't actually a lower low, was it? I suppose that doesn't make sense now. That didn't make sense. I thought I was looking at it, I thought, wow, that's just so obvious, lower highs and lower lows. But it wasn't in the end. Doesn't matter what we think, Stonksy is the one that needs to know. Very true. Very true. Still good to have some critical thinking, though, as well. Still good to have some critical thinking on your own. Let's see. Maybe we should have a look. What sort of news have we got? The US government seeks to return Bitcoin from BitFinex hack to the exchange. Oh, wow. So it's looking to seek the return of 94,643 Bitcoin from the 2016 BitFinex hack to the exchange. Wow, that's interesting, isn't it? A total of that amount of Bitcoin alongside Bitcoin Cash, BSV, and BTG. It was worth 72 million in 2016, but is now valued at over 11 billion. Incredible. That is incredible, isn't it? What a return that would be if they get it back. Binance sees Bitcoin open interest surge after bullish CPI data. What did it surge to? So at the time of publication, Binance Bitcoin open interest stands at 12.2 billion. We could go and have a look at open interest. But yeah, obviously, if you do want to take a trade today, or the best place for you to trade at any point in time, do make sure you click the first link in the description and the one going in the chat now and sign up to BLOFIN if you aren't already. I assume most of you are, but there's a few people that I've not seen before. So yeah, go and sign up with an account. It's non-KYC, so you just do an email sign up and it takes under a minute to do. So yeah, do go and click that. We've got an hour to go until US Open. We've got an hour to go until US Open, so I suppose, what do we keep looking at? What do we keep looking at? I suppose we could go and have a look, couldn't we? Bitcoin, open interest, coin glass. Let's see. Come down a little bit, Annette. Cannot view this on a chart. So no chart for this, no. The 24-hour change point, it's plus 2.4%. I'm sure that there would be a chart for this. Ah, yeah, this is the one I used to use. I used to use this. There we go. Oh no, yeah, here it is. Yeah. So yeah, we did obviously shoot up yesterday massively. Total open interest of around just over 30 billion at the moment. Hello, Joe Glue. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for joining. Look at Dig AI. I told you about it a few weeks ago. I made money. And yeah, I'm still making money. Oh, good. Yeah. I remember you saying that. And we've got Costadine. So what do I think about LTC? We did cover LTC actually about 10 minutes ago. Where is it? Pretty easy, really. Yeah, get above this zone for daily close. Then test this, get above that, then back towards the highs and potentially above. Really easy. Back below here, and then yeah, it's just back within this trading range here. So yeah, really easy for Litecoin at the moment. But yeah, open interest has surged, which would obviously just take out again everyone up until that point. Let's have a look at this. This is it, innit? Oh wow, yeah. Looks like I drew that a bit low. Move that back there. Yeah, it's surging, innit? Had a nice settlement, didn't it? It had a nice settlement. Came down, settled nice, formed a base, and then yeah, it's going for round 2 at the moment. Looks like it's going for round 2, so nice, mate, nice. Did you buy back at the towards the bottom when it was forming the base? Where did you get back in? But yeah, superb. I mean, yeah, it's up 47% today, so you can't really go wrong, can you? H bar is just continuing on, up 13% now, and XRP is it went all the way up towards nearly 340, so it's getting there. LTC ETF. Managed to position myself 2 weeks ago with some really good bags. Oh, nice, yeah. And yeah, I bought back at those lows. Yeah, I remember saying I think you'd trimmed some off, hadn't you? I think you'd sold some. And then you've bought back. Oh yeah, yeah. I think we are primed to. I mean, you don't say it too early, do you? But it's looking like we might be ready to come and fill this in. Look at that formation there as well on Wix. Just higher after higher after higher. I might try and short this again. Shall I do it? Yeah, 1.5k in 2 days, most I've ever made in crypto from spot holding. Nice, mate. Well done. Well done. Keep it going. But yeah, we've got an hour to go until US Open, so we can look at anything that we want. I mean, it doesn't really even have to be chart related. It can be anything. Anything you want me to look at. It can be anything. James says it looks so prime for a short that inevitably it will pump. Yeah, looks like it. Decided to dive right in the end of November. Oh, nice, yeah. Yeah, so you've made some good money on it then. Would you mind looking at Nexa again? I can look at that. I can look at Nexa. Let's see. Let me sit back up. Let's see, Nexa. See what it's doing. Where did it launch? Okay. Oh, blimey. Right. Okay, so for something like this, it's obviously had an absolutely huge sell-off. Massive sell-off. However, we go and have a look at sort of this region here. Now this looks like the accumulation range, and then we've obviously had drop below it and then a pump above it. However, this looks like the place where it's being, well, I say, quote unquote accumulated, where it's formed the bottom with a dip below and then obviously a giga pump to the upside, which then got fully eaten up. But yeah, this looks like it's that. Now you obviously want to see it hold, which at the moment, the last 2 weeks it's came in, tested it and held. So potentially, it does, I don't know anything about it or what, but for the time being, as long as it doesn't, break below it and start making new lows and it stays within here, shows signs of accumulation, then, at some point potentially then, it breaks out. Let me draw that a bit better. Yeah. Until then, there's not really much to say apart from it's within a range. I'm very, very hot today, me. Very hot. Is Pep ending the season in City? He will undoubtedly, I think, finish the season at City, yeah. Whether he stays there for next year is a different question, innit? But I think, undoubtedly, I think he'll be there come the end of the season. I think he'll finish this year out. Duck USDT. Duck USDT. We can have a look at that in a second. Do apologise for my yawning. What are the statistics for Arsenal overtaking Liverpool in April? Do some research, please. Before April. I don't know about the statistic, but the odds are probably getting slimmer and slimmer, aren't they? No, sorry. Yeah, because the odds would get slimmer. Yeah, because the chances would increase. Yeah, the chances are increasing for sure. Watching us against Forest. Second half we were good, but we need a striker and we need a centre back, and FSG just, I don't know where all the money is. I honestly have no idea where all the money is. It's unbelievable, really, how they get away with what they do. Because when you're in a position like that, what do? You strengthen, don't you? You strengthen. You go out. I can't believe that offer that we got for Nunes. That offer that we got for Nunes from Saudi was incredible. You'd have bitten the hand off for that. To get 70 million back for him, I'd have drove him there myself. But yeah, you need to, when you're in a position of strength like that, you need to strengthen. So, we should have gone out and got a decent striker and a centre back, and that's all we'd have needed really for the rest of the season. But I think it's entirely possible. It's entirely possible. 3 years. I can't remember. Oh, is that the answer to that question? Are you saying the answer to that one? Hello, Elfish. How you doing? Great to see you, mate. Great to see you. How's things? Thanks. Yeah, it's my low cap play for the run. Very good. Well, yeah, I mean, I suppose at this point, you're buying as low, obviously minus this dip, you're pretty much buying as low as it's been, aren't you? So I suppose the risk reward is there for you. So yeah, best of luck. We'll come and revisit this. Oh wow. What on earth? Hang on a minute. What on earth has happened to this? This has done a 15x today. Stonksy was long on it. What's caused this then? Because what's caused this? Surely it's not just has it just listed on Gate or something? Because that says Wednesday at 3 o'clock, and then that says Thursday at 10 o'clock in the morning. So, has it just listed on? I need some more information about this. Care family. Give me some more information on this. What's caused this? For it to be up 1,500%. And it's still retraced 40% of it as well. It'd be up another 60%. That looks like a fat finger order way above all liquidity. Potentially, yeah. But it's weird because that candle's Wednesday at 3 o'clock, and then the next candle's Thursday at 10. So why is there a gap between, of nearly 24 hours? I don't know. Well, it looks like it's holding firm, doesn't it, Bitcoin? It looks like it's holding firm. It was just listed on BLOFIN, not really sure. Was it? Let's go and have a look. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so it listed on BLOFIN at 13. So it listed on BLOFIN at like here. Yeah, weird. Weird, but I mean, yeah, I suppose if you're in from a lot lower, then it's good, isn't it? If you're in from a lot lower, then you're in the money. Gonna have to have another drink. I don't know why it is so hot today. Is it nice outside? Don't look too bad, to be fair. Definitely not warm, like, but doesn't look too bad. Oh, it's good to stretch, innit? When you've been sat somewhere in a position and then you just have a good stretch. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, that feels good. Right. Oh, I'm enjoying breathing properly. I'm enjoying breathing properly before I put this bandana back on. Oh, right. There we go. Right. I'm back. But yeah. So where was we up to then? Oh yeah, we looked at that duck, didn't we? We do have 29 people watching. So thank you very much for those of you that are sticking around. We don't have as many viewers as we did yesterday. But yeah, I appreciate every single one of you that are sticking around for the stream. We are getting a little push back up on Bitcoin here too. I was going to say, I can't remember. But yeah, I think it would be fun for us to potentially like. So I think obviously like looking at the charts and Stonksy and that is superb and it's great. But I think for us to like do something a bit, I can't think in my head what. But I think doing something interesting on stream like would be like maybe going looking at different DeFi protocols or I don't know, something like that. You know, just for in the times like this when we've not had really much change in the market since yesterday. And obviously we have got a good handful of coins that are pumping, but not all of them. I mean, let's have a look at Link. Oh, Link's on the move, innit? Again, another superb call by Stonksy there on the hourly. Bullish confirmation here as well. And then bang, bang, bang. So yeah, I think that deserves a little air siren for Link. Yeah, I think it's fully. Has it fully? Yeah, it's pretty much fully recovered its drop as well. Pretty much fully recovered its drop that it had. So yeah, very nice. I do wonder if something like Link, because it's probably, you know, it's really like one of the main cryptos in it that have an actual proper half decent use case. Like it as an actual product is obviously like imperative really to the industry. So you do wonder if something like Link, like just like what the potential might be of it if, you know, like we do get euphoria in the market and it gets a proper pump. What does Stonksy think about Adder? I put my thoughts on Adder on here. So Stonksy's still long on the daily. But these are my thoughts on Adder. Pretty much this box is the separation between Guts and glory. Yeah. Close above this box and flip it to support. Then we're on. If we tail off and stick around here, it's currently rejected off it there again. Then we could retrace. But yeah, still long on the daily from all the way down here, which got over a 2x so far. That's on the daily, of course, as well. Dave, have you seen Solsex? No, I haven't. No. First centralized Solana exchange, low cap at the moment. Let's go and have a look now. I've never seen that. Let's see. Go and have a little bit of a look on it. Oh, it's falling down my nose. Let's see. This is it. Oh yeah, 9 million market cap. Okay. No, never seen this before. It's nearly fully diluted as well, 78%. Oh, I've never seen it. Let's go and have a look at this. This is interesting. Thank you very much for forwarding this over. Let's see. Oh, what have I done there? I want the link to it. The website. There we go. Let's see. This is interesting. Welcome to Solsex Exchange. Never heard of it. So what is it? Is it centralized or decentralized? Looks interesting. It does look interesting. Really low market cap as well, isn't it? 9 million. I'm so positioned this cycle. It's unreal. Well done, mate. Well done. Hey, hello, Desperados. How are we doing? I'm very good. Thank you, mate. How are you? You had a very good day yesterday. Thank you for sharing your insights. Oh, that's great to hear, mate. I'm very, very happy to hear that. I'm glad that you had a good day yesterday. Let's hope that it continues into today as well. You are very welcome, my friends. Centralized, I believe. It's interesting that. It's interesting. I've never heard of it. Never heard of it, but it does look interesting. So thank you. And yeah, we do have 40 minutes until US Open. If you have just joined the stream, welcome. Please do drop a like and subscribe if you're new. And if you're wondering what this is Stonksy. So let's go and have a look at say Bitcoin. So yeah, what is Stonksy? Stonksy is an all-in-one trading indicator that you can utilize in the market to help give you insight and obviously indications. So the background indication, there's obviously red for bearish, green for bullish. These are long and short opportunities in the market. Then you do have automated SR lines plotted on for you by Stonksy too. And alongside that, there's various other features, such as the ones that we released a couple of weeks ago, alternate time frame settings and bullish bearish arrow settings. There's one bullish arrow that we see there right before the pump. And you do get full Discord access and free updates as we release them as well. So do click that second link in the description and I'll put it in the chat now as well. And sign up to Stonksy and I hope to see you in the Discord. You only found it yesterday through someone else's wallet. Holders look steady and bundles / bubble maps all look good. Yeah, it looks interesting, mate. It does look interesting. Looks like a very interesting possibility. But if anyone is looking for anywhere to trade as well, do make sure that it's on the best exchange out there in BLOFIN. Again, first link in the description, and I'll pop that in the chat as well. But yeah, non-KYC. So you just sign up with an email. There's no doxing yourself on there. You can use it anywhere in the world with a VPN, and all assets are fully custodied in Fireblocks. So there we go. Let's have a couple of air horns for BLOFIN. It might have already been mentioned, but how do we bring up the bullish arrows, as I can't find them in the chart I currently have? So you might just have to up your sensitivity, or lower it potentially. Depending what. Let me know what's your sensitivity and confirmation period on, James. Let me know. So go into your Stonksy settings and see what the sensitivity and confirmation period on, and let me know in the chat. And let me know that first. Where the bloody hell is this? There we go. But yeah, we had a little shoot up in viewers there. So yeah, do welcome to the stream. Do make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you're new, and you'll find links to everything fantastic in the description for BLOFIN, Stonksy, CSE Plus discounts, everything. Become a Stonksy affiliate, join the Stonksy team, and get a kickback for every plan that you sell via your link. Superb. Yeah, we haven't got long to go to US Open. We've got 40 minutes. Yeah, there's plenty of liquidity within this candle. We are getting persistent buys, aren't we? We are getting persistent buys upon any dips around here. So we'll just have to see what we're given. If you was to open a long or short, what would you do at this point here? Would you open a long or a short? Let me know in the chat. I'm interested to find out. Would you long or short at this point? Botify is an interesting one. Yeah, I'll have a look at it later, mate. I'll have a look at it later. Thank you very much. Or I'll have a look at it in a bit on stream. But it sounds like you're very, very, yeah, you're positioned well. Short, says James. Desperado says defo or long. All right, okay, interesting. So you two are going against each other, counter trading one another. Scottish Crypto says I'm long in XRP, but super bullish news recently and today. Yeah, XRP's had a monster move, hasn't it? Monster move today. Well, and recently as well. Obviously broke out of its flag. And yeah, alongside H bar, absolutely ripping. Up for nearly 15% now. And XLM. Not as much as the other two. Not as much as the other two. H bar is going mental, isn't it? Gold's having a good pump. Gold's having a good pump on the hourly. I am long on alts at the moment, thinking of taking profits before market open. One road, it's never a bad idea. It's never a bad idea to secure profits, is it? If you're thinking about it, yeah, just make sure you put your thinking into action if that's what you want to do. And don't let any outside noise affect your decision making. But yeah, I hope you're all trading on BLOFIN. I do hope you're all trading on BLOFIN. That's where I trade. Hopefully, yeah, we'll be able to get a trade in. Yesterday's one didn't go as planned. However, I should have really just let it ride because we wouldn't have been stopped out anyway. But yeah, hopefully we'll get another one in today. But yeah, you will find that link in the description and in the chat. The best non-KYC exchange there is. BTC Dom heading down, money moving into alts. Let's go. Well, it's about time, isn't it? It's about time. The thing is, we don't want it to just be one of them short-lived things. We want it to be like proper, do you know what I mean? Proper momentum, not just like a little tiny push. And then that's it. We want it to be proper momentum. Sensitivity is set to 5. Right, move it up to 8. And move your confirmation period down to 1. And let me know the difference. But if you have just joined the stream, welcome to Stonksy. Do drop a like and subscribe. We will be watching the US Open live. We've been live for an hour and a half. We will be watching US Open and the reaction after it too. I don't think we have really any data today either, do we? But we are just 5 days away from Trump's inauguration, which is expected to announce some pretty good stuff on the first day. So next week should be an unbelievable time for streaming and trading. So yeah, do make sure that you get Stonksy before that. Come and join us in the Discord. Yeah, we are catching rips, aren't we? Let's see Metis. We haven't looked at Metis in a while. We have caught a nice pump on there on the 1 hour. What's AVAX doing? We've looked at Say, haven't we? Jasmine, well, I should have just longed Jasmine yesterday. It wasn't really too far away from my entry. I should have just longed it. But there we go. You stick to your plan, don't you? It's all if, buts, and maybes. The best thing you can do is just stick to your plan and wait for that to come off. When you start messing about with it, that's when mistakes happen. RPE, welcome, mate. I've not seen you in the chat before. If you're new, do drop a like on the stream and do subscribe. Are we going to pump today or break down? Well, at the moment, we are holding, aren't we? We are holding. Any dips that we're getting on these hourly candles is getting eaten up. However, there is a big chunk of liquidity here where this candle formed yesterday, the CPI candle. Now, if we do go down to the downside, if this is a possible scenario I've outlined for myself, doesn't mean that it will happen or anything, but we could just as easily carry on. So I think it's, unless you're already positioned in a futures trade and you've got good room on it and you're happy to leave it open, I think you could be caught a bit of like a rabbit in the headlights here. So the best thing to do is probably nothing. Just don't do anything for now. Bullish flag on Bitcoin 30-minute. No, I don't know. It looks a bit too long. The flag looks longer than the pole. Doesn't it? The flag looks kind of longer than the pole, so I don't know. I'd just say it's in a channel. I don't know whether I would call it a flag. But yeah, it's just in a channel, innit? Just in a bit of a channel. I've got a SUI futures open from 3.9. Where are we at now on SUI? Oh, nice. Yes, you've got plenty of room there, haven't you? You've got like nearly 20%. So yeah, that's not bad. Well done, or maybe just over 20%. Well done, mate. Great to hear. Let's have a look down. Let's see what memes are doing as well. What memes do you hold? Let me know in the chat. Do you think memes are gonna be the main narrative still this cycle, or not? Obviously, Doge, we've got 3% up today, set up over 18% last 7 days. You never really hear much about SHIB, do you now? I never really see anyone mention SHIB ever. Does anyone look at SHIB ever? I never see it mentioned or anything. It's kind of one of them. It's weird, isn't it? Because it's like the second biggest meme by far still. It's nearly double the size of Pepe. And then when you go lower than that, it's like over 6 times as big as Bonk. But you never really say anyone say anything about SHIB. Yeah, we've got Pepe up decently. We've got Whiff down there. I should have longed this. I longed this the other day at like 98 cents. I should have left it open. SPX back down to $1. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see what happens, won't it? Then obviously we start going all the way down to ones that people have probably never really heard of. Wow, look at Myro. I remember when Myro was like, it was a couple 100 million, wasn't it, Myro? That's been crushed. There's Moodeng. Yeah, interesting. But yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what happens. AI agents. Virtual. Yeah, that's had an absolute monster run on it. So AI 16Z is, well, obviously it's got the name AI in it. But it's considered an AI agent and a meme. Wonderwall. We've got TMG reciting Wonderwall lyrics in the chat. I bought some Beth this morning. Never heard of it, mate. You seem like you've got all the coins, haven't you? Doge. Today is gonna be TMG's got Wonderwall on it. Wonderwall on in the background. Scottish Crypto says SPX 6,900 is my biggest meme bag. We got some more Wonderwall lyrics there. Pepe Unchained. What's everyone's favourite song? We've got it's 1.9 million cat punt on a sister meme to Brett. I suppose yeah. Like you say, it's a punt in it. TMG's putting Wonderwall in the chat. What's everyone's favourite song? Let me know in the chat. We've got 25 minutes until US Open to see what we're going to get for Bitcoin today. But what's everyone's favourite song? Let me know. You look like no. I suppose I kind of do, don't I? If it was like, what colour hair has he got? Brown. Brownish hair. Or black, whatever. I suppose, yeah, it kind of does, doesn't it? Do we have many Oasis fans in the chat today? Is anyone going to Oasis? Did anyone get tickets? Let me know. But yeah, I suppose you probably could say that I look like no, don't I, with this awesome wig on. But yeah, we do have obviously Bitcoin, yeah, in this sort of channel at the moment. And we do have Stonksy obviously calling some mega calls. Pretty much everything that we've looked at today, Stonksy has been in there. So obviously if you are looking to improve your trading, get better at reading the market, do make sure that you get Stonksy. You get full access to the indicator. You get full access to the Discord. And crucially, we will be integrating Stonksy into BLOFIN as a trading bot. So pretty soon you'll be able to load some money on there. Obviously apply it to be traded by Stonksy, and it will just open and close trades for you. Just open, close trades, open, close, 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 open, close, close, close. That will do it all for you. It'll be integrated into BLOFIN as a trading bot, and that will be for Stonksy users. So yeah, sign up to Stonksy. Link is in the description and in the chat. And yeah, do sign up to BLOFIN. That's in the chat as well, if you want to take any trades today. Going to Scottish Oasis gig. I saw Oasis in the Barrowlands before they were big. Oh, is that right, Scottish? Yeah. Oh, nice. Well, it'll be good. It'll be good time for you to reminisce about the old days, won't it? While you're there, you'll be like, "Whoa, where's all these years gone? Where have all these years gone?" You'll be living it up, mate. Enjoy. When's that? When is it on? Do 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 do. Let's have a look at XRP. As you can see, yeah. If anyone did want an example of just how good Stonksy is, bang! Absolutely fantastic. But yeah, if you are new to the stream, do make sure you drop a like and subscribe. We'll be watching the US Open live together. I'm just gonna have to turn that off a sec. Oh, I need a drink. I'm running out of lilt. I'm running out of lilt. I'll be back on the camera in a second. Just having a drink. But should probably go to the toilet as well, to be fair. And no, before TMG says it in the chat, it's not a poo. I don't think anyone could poo in the time that I go to the toilet. You'd end up with a really dirty backside because you wouldn't have cleaned it properly, surely. Wow. That lilt is absolutely delightful. I think that's my new favourite drink now. Lilt. Never really used to drink it much, but it is absolutely delicious. We do have 38 people into the stream now, so thank you very much for joining. I will be back on the camera in a second. Do make sure you drop a like and subscribe. And I'm just going to go to the toilet before we watch the US Open together. So while I'm gone, if you're not signed up to BLOFIN, the best non-KYC exchange in the industry, I've just popped it into the chat and it's in the description. You can make an account in under 60 seconds. So I'm setting you all a personal challenge now. You're all on a personal challenge. Whoever's not signed up to BLOFIN, click the link now while you go to the toilet and see if you can beat me to signing up on there before I get back. I won't be a second. Right, I'm back. I'm back. Did you create a BLOFIN account? Did you create a BLOFIN account? Hang on. The camera needs refocusing. Wait there. There we go. Oh. Well, you just seen some of my eyes. I forgot to put them back on. That was funny. Oh, that was funny. Oh. CMG says David's going for a poo. You can't poo in that time, can you? Don't crack the bowl. I very nearly have a couple times, you know. It's all right. It was going to happen at some point, weren't it? It was going to happen at some point. It don't really matter. It's only my eyes. As long as I don't forget the rest, it's all right. As long as I don't forget the rest, the glasses are all right because it's just a set of eyes, isn't it? But as long as I don't forget the wig and the bandana, it's all right. It was going to happen at some point. I don't even know why I took the glasses off then. I can't remember. I can't remember why I even took the glasses off. Wig. No, it's not a wig. Did I say a wig then? Oops. Oh no, I meant my hair. I meant to like style it. That's what I meant. Oh, that was funny. That was funny. A bit of an afternoon entertainment there for you. But yeah, we have got just over 15 minutes until US Open, and we do have some more people popping in. So if you are enjoying the stream, do drop a like and subscribe. At least we all know you're not Ed Sheeran. What do you mean? With this type of hair, it's ginger. This isn't ginger, this is blonde. I'm not ginger. This is blonde hair. I'll have you know. I grew this myself. But yeah, we will be watching US Open live again. It's becoming a regular thing on stream now, isn't it? Because of the time that I'm streaming for the length, we just pretty much watch US Open every single day together. And we are looking like we're potentially going to go back up. I'm going to try and get out this channel. It looks like potentially on Bitcoin. But let me know, what positions have you got open at the moment? What positions do you have open at the moment? Let's see. I suppose we could pump one. I suppose if we get a majority. Only kidding, don't worry. Yeah, I suppose I could be the blonde Ed Sheeran, couldn't I? I could be the blonde Ed Sheeran. I used to absolutely love Ed Sheeran. Used to absolutely love it. I don't really listen to him as much now. But yeah, I used to just used to listen to him all the time. I've never been to see him live. I would love to go and see him live. XRP looking good for a pump, you think? Well, it's already pumped, hasn't it? Caught by Stonksy. But do you mean continuation? Potentially, yeah. I think it depends on what Bitcoin's going to do. But it looks like it's destined, doesn't it? Like this looks like, if we go on here, the all-time high Looks like a magnet. It looks like a magnet that's just pulling it up there. It's just pulling it and pulling it and pulling it. It's what it looks like. So yeah, we'll have to see. Interesting. I wonder how far away H bar is from its all-time high. $57 is its all-time high. Where is it now? Oh, so it's still a fair way away, isn't it? It's still. We go and mark it on. All-time high. Oh, all-time high. Coordinates 57. So it's still another. Yeah, it's still another 53% away. So it's still a while compared to XRP. I wonder where XLM's. That's obviously another one, isn't it? Let's see XLM's all-time high. Yeah, similar to H bar in it in terms of where it's got to go. 93 is still minus 46% down from all-time high. So it's still got a way to go. But yeah, XRP is the main one that's looking like. I don't know. If something like this, you've got to be careful, haven't you? Because it's pumped so much, it could easily come down or lose momentum a little bit. His original music was far better. Yeah, I used to love the stuff that he'd do. Yeah, I meant continuation of XRP. We'll just have to see, won't we? I think the closer it gets to all-time high, the more dangerous it becomes. Because is it going to do a proper breakout, or is it going to get to all-time high and then slump like Solana did? It's going to be interesting. But at the moment, yeah, it looks like it might just continue onwards and just finish the mission. Why are we on Solana? Let's go back onto Bitcoin. But yeah, if you are new to the stream, welcome. Do like and subscribe. This is the Stonksy channel, and we are live every single day covering US Open for a couple of hours. And we cover all the important news, data releases as well. And if you're wondering what is Stonksy, Stonksy is an all-in-one trade indicator that gives you long and short indications in the market, automatically plots SR levels, a bunch more stuff, and crucially, we will be integrating it into BLOFIN as an automated trading bot. So Stonksy users will be able to just, set it to trade for them and just, watch the magic happen. So if you do want to sign up to Stonksy, the link is in the description. You do get full access to the Discord server as well. And you'll find a link to BLOFIN in the description as well, the best non-KYC exchange in the industry. But yeah, we are just awaiting another 10 minutes to see what we're going to get. Interesting, yeah. Check XRP Bitcoin chart. It's nowhere near all-time high. Oh, yeah, let's have a look at that. I don't think I've ever actually looked at that, ever. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 month. Oh, yeah, it's still fairly low down, isn't it? Oh, yeah. still fairly low down. Imagine if it comes and fills all that gap in there. Or where it was just down only. Imagine if that is just a really, really, really high time frame inverse BART, and it just goes bump. Imagine that. Just a really high time frame inverse BART, and it just retraces it all back up towards here. That is fascinating, actually, isn't it? When you think XRP's performed so well of recent, but in actuality, it's had 2 good months here and here. This one, all of it got absorbed, and is still, yeah, pretty much within the same levels as nearly 6 years ago. That's crazy, that. But yeah, imagine if it does just pull off something like this, like that, like that, like that. I mean, that was the maddest one, weren't it? In December 2017, it got it opened here and did a 10x over Bitcoin. Yeah, well, nearly closed for a 5x. Yeah, it'd be crazy. It looks probably prime, doesn't it? After, you know, downwards consolidation, bang, downwards, bang, and it's just been downwards consolidation. Yeah, imagine if it does just go bang. Which would be pretty crazy, wouldn't it? Because wouldn't that be taking it towards, like, if it does like another 2x from here, wouldn't that be taking it towards overtaking ETH? It would, yeah. It would be dangerously close, wouldn't it, to be flipping ETH? It needs just it needs to go to what? Probably around $7, and it would flip ETH. So it needs just over a 2x. But yeah, for those of you that have just joined the stream, thank you very much. Do drop a like and subscribe. Be very much appreciated. We do have US Open in 7 minutes as well. So I'll be watching the Bitcoin reaction to that. And we'll pull up the S&P 500 as well. We do have 50 people in now. Just had an absolute surge in viewers. So welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Do drop a like. And subscribe if you're new. I am live every single day for a few hours. And we always cover US Open as well. And we cover all the important data like NFP, CPI, all that jazz. I'm just typing a message in the chat. I can't spell that for some reason. I don't know why. I'm just popping a message in the chat. So, there we go. Yeah. Do make sure you click the link in the chat or first one in the description to sign up to BLOFIN, the best non-KYC exchange in the industry. And unfortunately, I can't have that message on all the time because it covers me up. I have to go like this. Hello? 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 So, yeah. Do make sure you go and do that. And let me know when you've done it as well. Let me know when you've done it, and I'll be your best mate for the rest of the day. Me and you can be best mates for the rest of the day. But let me know what you want me to look at. Well, let me know if you want me to look at any altcoins or whatever. And obviously, if you are new to the stream and you're wondering, what is this on the chart? This is Stonksy, the all-in-one trading indicator. these background color changes are when it tells you to go long and short. It automatically plots SR levels for you, and it does loads more stuff, including it is coming to BLOFIN as an automated bot for Stonksy users. So it will open and close trades on behalf of Stonksy users and be generating that cash. So yeah, you find a link to join Stonksy in the description, and you do get full access to the Discord server as well, where the Stonksy community shares the thoughts and ideas. But yeah, as you can see, it's caught some mega moves. It's caught some mega moves in the market. Look at the move that it's caught on XRP. This is on the 1 hour chart. If you want to see more examples, go over to the Stonksy Twitter account at stonksy.io. And if you go on media, you'll just be able to see all the examples that we post every single day of different time frames, different assets. Plenty on there for you. Viewer surge as big as the XRP surge. Lol. I know, yeah. We went up massively then. Big thank you to those of you that have just joined. Check VR8. I can do that for you, Gert, of course. I can do that for you. VR8, is that Veracity? Yeah, it is, yeah. Caught a nice pump on it yesterday on the back of CPI. Went all the way up there, and it's still nice in profit from where Stonksy called it. Let's go and have a look at the weekly chart. So it's still around its lows, isn't it, really? It's still around its lows. If we go to the daily, again, here you can see Stonksy caught a big pump up there, and it's still nicely in profit as well. But yeah, it's still around its lows, isn't it? So I think if we go to the monthly chart, yeah, it's formed. It's pretty much just still within like its high time frame base, isn't it? It's still pretty much around there. So we'd want to see a proper breakout. Proper breakout, not like this, where it gets above and then all that gets absorbed. Proper breakout, and then, yeah, start heading back towards, probably this will be the first stop. Hit obstacle here, and if it gets above, yeah, that'll be the next one. But looks interesting for sure, mate. Looks interesting. Doge is having a big pump today as well. As you can see, caught nicely from Monday onwards. So yeah, Stonksy is absolutely superb, and you will benefit from it massively. So do go and sign up. The sign up page will take you to here. So the link, start now. And then, yeah, you can sign up for a monthly plan, which means, yeah, you just pay a monthly fee to have Stonksy. And yeah, you're not tied into any contract with that. And then, yeah, there's an annual option. You can get a discount of 10% with this, with SWC10. So that is SWC10. And then, yeah, we do have a lifetime option. All this is for paying in card, but you can pay in crypto here with these buttons. Now, if you do find that there's not the preferred asset or network that you want to pay on, just click the hyperlinked email address. Just say what plan you want, how you want to pay, and we can sort you out that way instead. But yeah, do come and join us over at Stonksy. You will not regret it, especially as we move into the as the trading bot is released. As we move into the trading bot being released, things are going to heat up massively. Yeah, US Open. Yeah, I'm on it. I'm on it. And there you go. For you low time frame scalpers as well. For you scalpers, you can use it to catch the decent moves in the market, as seen here. Short, here, long. So yeah, let's see what we're going to get. We've got 5 seconds to go. We've got 5 seconds to go. And ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding. That bell just rang at the New York Stock Exchange. I've got the chart open. The chart's open. Right here. Now, it was all in hand It was all in hand. The chart is open, and we're watching Bitcoin tank. We're watching Bitcoin tank. What do you mean the chart? What chart? I've got the chart open. The chart is open. It's right here. I had the chart open before it opened. We are getting a little push down as well. This is on the 1 minute chart. So yeah, push down straight off. If you are enjoying the stream, we've got 56 people in now. Do make sure that you drop a like and subscribe if you're new. Let's see what the S&P 500 is doing. Yeah, same. Drop down, bouncing slightly. We are only in the second candle of the session. But yeah, are we going to get a push down on Bitcoin now? Here we go. It's came in, Anna. It's came in and chose aggression today. Straight down. Now, are we going to get one of them sessions where it's just down relentlessly and there's no real let up, or are we going to get one of them sessions where the first move's down and it's a trap? We're going to have to see, aren't we? James was loving that LMAO. Scottish Crypto saying XRP pumping a bit. We'll have a look at XRP now, but we do have nearly 60 people in, so do make sure you drop a like on the stream. And yeah, we are live every single day covering the US Open, so do subscribe and come back each and every day, live for 2.5 to 3 hours. Yeah, it's a lot of fun, especially when there's a big data event on. Like yesterday with CPI, we covered the NFP last Friday. It was a lot of fun. But yeah, we are dropping down, aren't we? Let's see what the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 is mostly dropping down into the session. But Bitcoin is heading. Let's go and have a look at the 30-minute. So if we go to the 30-minute chart, we did obviously come back up. We failed to get above the top of the flag properly and break out, and we are coming down potentially to touch. Now this isn't probably drawn the best, however, yeah, you get the idea. I set the flag as well, the channel, but as discussed earlier in the stream, for those of you that weren't here, there is bunches and bunches of liquidity in this box where we had CPI yesterday. Bunches and bunches of liquidity. So if we are coming down, likelihood is we potentially come and clear all this out. And I'd be looking for a reaction after sweeping this point. But yeah, let me know. I can cover any altcoins that you wish to see. That's the first 5 minutes nearly of the US Open being done, and we have just got down only. However, we are bouncing slightly now. We are bouncing slightly. But if you want me to cover any altcoins, let me know. We can have a look to see what Stonksy is saying about any altcoins that you wish. But if you are looking to trade any altcoins or Bitcoin, do click the first link in the description and sign up to BLOFIN, the best non-KYC exchange in the business. Put S&P chart by the side with Bitcoin, and then analyze XRP on short time frames. Yeah, I can do that for sure. Let's see. Well, there's XRP on a rampage in it, and this was the diagonal that we was watching for a while. We've been watching this diagonal for a while on stream now, and yeah, we did get the break above, hold above, and then yeah, blast off. Let's put the S&P. Oh, hang on, wrong one. Let me put the S&P 500 on this one. Let's go to the 1 minute chart, and we have nearly fully recovered the US Open dump on the S&P 500. Oh no, dropping back down now. So let's see what happens with these two in a second, and then yeah, we'll have a look at XRP again. Based AI, Griffin and Subi, please. Did cover Griffin earlier in the stream, but we can do it again for you. Oh, not the camera then. So yeah, let's go and it's interesting, isn't it? You can't really tell what sort of reaction we're going to get today. Are we going to get continuation, or are we going to get a flush? I cannot decide. So TMG has just alerted us that there is a big resistance at 5,980. 5,980. So just a bit higher up here. Big resistance for the S&P 500, and it is tailing back off now. It is tailing back off with Bitcoin following. So let's go and have a look. We could put this on full screen, couldn't we? Let's go and have a look at that resistance that TMG just talked about. $5,980. So pretty much just below there, isn't it? Around about that where it closed on the daily. Around about there. That's at 582, but it lines up with that. A bit lower there. So that's what TMG has just mentioned. And we did get pretty close to it, didn't we, today? As you can see, we're tailing off now. But Stonksy has caught all the trend up on the S&P 500. It's on the daily time frame. But as you can see, it got into the green background around 4,600-ish. And has rode the trend all the way up. Now, if we go down to the lower time frame again, let's go and have a look, see what XRP is doing. We are tailing off slightly on XRP. Let's go to the 10-minute chart. Another one where Stonksy's caught it. As you can see there, absolutely superb. Catching the breakout on XRP. But we have potentially, obviously, if the rest of the market, if Bitcoin is going to head to the downside, this could potentially be the daily or weekly high on XRP now. If we are going to get a flush on Bitcoin. Could potentially be the daily or weekly high. We are very close to all-time high, but obviously Stonksy has outlined this as a major level on a 10-minute time frame, which you can see why. Touched there, then we had it as resistance again here and broke above. So we could potentially come down to 320 and then bounce. And if we do that, Stonksy's outlined the next level of support at 302. So there's plenty of information for us to go off to see what might happen next. Maybe something like this, or maybe something like this. Shop again. Yeah. This is our year, guys. It is, mate. It is. It's our year. The Stonksy community will smash it this year. TMG says I'm still very short on the market. Cow on 1 inch. Chart it on the 10-minute chart. It's a diagonal. Down from 680 25980. This is the S&P 500. Chart it on the what time frame? The 10-minute diagonal. Let's see. Ah, right. I see what you mean now. Yeah, I see what you mean. This? No, no, that's not it, is it? What day? What did you say? Oh no, 680. 680. Sorry. Let me go more out. 680. Bloody hell. Hang on. Let me just get rid of that. Because it's on a 10-minute time frame, I can't. Let's see. 680. So is this one going all the way down here? Yeah, I'm guessing it's that. And then pulling that down to here. Is this what we're looking at? That one going all across there. Bang, bang, bang. Zoom in. Pull Stonksy off. Zoom in on. So it's from 690 though, but it was last at 6. So 690 is all the way up at here, isn't it? So it was here where it was at 690 last. So let me delete that. So we're drawing it from there down this way. No, that not. Or is it? Yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Got it now. There we go. Yeah. Got it. ICT is waiting for the day comes on as a special stream. Zoom out. I misspoke. Put it on the 1 hour. Yeah, I think I've got it though. Looks like I've got it. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, up to 580. Yeah, there. Got it. There we go. That's what TMG is looking at. Up towards this trend line here. Your screen is smaller than mine, so it should be on a high time frame. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's not. Your screen will definitely be bigger than mine. But yeah, there we go. We've got it charted now. So this will be something interesting to watch when and if we obviously come into contact with it. We can obviously pull this a bit lower in case we don't retest it this week. Potentially, if we go down for the rest of the week and don't come up there tomorrow, we'll obviously be monitoring it going into next week then. But yeah, definitely something to watch out for on the S&P 500. Let's go and have a look at. So we had a couple of suggestions in the chat for altcoins. So cow on 1 inch. And then we will keep an eye on, obviously, the ones that we are the ones that we're monitoring. S&P 500, Bitcoin, XRP. We'll keep an eye on them all. Oh, yeah, we have had a big drop down on Bitcoin now, haven't we? While I've been looking at that, we've had a big drop down on Bitcoin there within the last 5 minutes. Down to 98,250, just below 98,250. So yeah, we are dropping into where we've marked out on here. We are dropping in there. So there is loads of liquidity in this gap. This is the CPI pump yesterday. So yeah, there's loads of liquidity in here. and I'm watching for a reaction from here. I think I might set a bid at 96,500. But yeah, we are tumbling down now, and altcoins are getting hit hard again. What are your key requirements to becoming eligible for a Stonksy stream guest? You need to have some examples of previous work at the very minimum. I need to be able to see what you could bring to the stream. Predictions on how low we go. This is something that I'm watching for. Ivalo. It's basically just coming in, filling in all the CPI candle, taking all the liquidity in the middle, and potentially bouncing here. I want to see these equal lows here taken out. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. Let's move over to what we had a suggestion for. I'm guessing a lot of these have let's see. Cow, not really much, is the whiz. It's still pretty much within this zone that we've been looking at. Well, that I've been looking at anyway when I've been pulling it up on stream. Obviously, chopping about in it all here. We dropped back below, reclaimed, retested it again, which we had demand come in again. But yeah, back into it now. 1 inch. I think 1 inch potentially. Yeah, it's coming down. Oh no, it's not. It's up here. You can see where it was holding, can't you? You know, support, flip to resistance, flip back to support. So yeah, potentially come down to there. If it gets below there, then maybe we have a little drop down back in towards here. So there are two. Yeah, obviously this is key. If we drop back below there, we could see another 10% plus drop down into here. That's what I'd be looking at anyway, just looking at it. But it looks like we are dropping lower on Bitcoin as well. Let's see. Let's go in. Yeah, we are dropping lower on Bitcoin. Very, very fastly accelerating to the downside. Put a short on XRP when you were looking at it. 330 entry. Nice. So what are we on at XRP there? 320 now. Oh, nice. Well in, Scott. Big air horns in the chat for Scott. Well in, Scott. Nice, mate. Nice. Hope you're making some good profit on that. I can definitely bring entertainment to the stream. I bet, mate. I bet. But yeah, we are dropping down on Bitcoin now. If you haven't already, please do drop a like on the stream. And if you're new, subscribe. It'd be great to welcome you back every single day to the stream. And do make sure you click all the links in the description. Sign up for Stonksy to get full indicator and Discord access and access to the trading bot when it comes out in the next week or two. And sign up to BLOFIN, the best non-KYC exchange. Obviously, you will need a BLOFIN account to use Stonksy on there. If you were in CSC Premium call this morning or the CSC Market Insights group, then you should have shorted and made bank, says TMG. Yeah, we'll cover that now at the moment. I'll cover the discount that people can take advantage of. James has take profit on a 2K for 2K on that dump. Now a long limit order at 96,000. Yes, James, well done, mate. ICT caught a nice dump on XRP the last time he shorted it. And TMG is up 25k on the trading challenge now. Yes, that's what we want. So you started, so you 2.5x. You started with 10k, didn't you? There we go. I cashed in my XRP same time as Scott. We'll wait for a lower entry. Yeah, I am watching for this. But what did we have in the chat then? Oh yeah. So yeah, what TMG's talking about here. So if I just highlight this, if I highlight this comment, so if you click the link, I think it's the bottom link. It's the last link in the description. It will take you to this page here. Now what you do on this page is you scroll down, then it'll bring you to this bit. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to toggle this over to monthly. So make sure you switch that over to monthly, which will give you these options. Now the discount code, which is in the description as well, it will give 80% off this. So it'll bring it down from £100 to down to just £20 a month. So yeah, similar cost to like Apple Music, Spotify, Netflix, whatever. And that gives you full access to the academy, so you can do all the educational courses there and learn more about trading, crypto, etc. But it gives you access to the CSE Plus Discord, which TMG does his AMAs on there, which he's talking about here today. The call, all looking in the market insights, his channel that he puts his trades into. So yeah, that's how you can get access to that. The link's in the description below with the discount code there as well, which you'll put in at checkout to get it for just £20 a month. So yeah, do make sure you go and take advantage of that and come and join the CSE Discord. But yeah, we are pushing a bit lower on Bitcoin now as well. TMG, where's the live stream update? I cried a little last night when you didn't go live, says James. Bounce time. I don't think so yet, but maybe. Ivalo is asking, have you closed your trades, Jordan? Dave, what has been your biggest trade that made you absolute banks? Probably, I would probably say the big explosive run that we had at the start of 2023. That was mega. That was absolutely mega. Longing from like 16k all the way up to 30. That was brilliant. And then the one after that would probably be, so it's when it went in the moves, when it had consolidated and then bang up. Probably all along the time frame for that. I remember I caught a really good one when we was pushing down at 25k support, and then it was just as the ETFs announced that they were all obviously applying for them, and we got like a really fast move back towards 32k. That was really good. And then yeah, ones along the way up as well, but they're the most memorable ones because they were the most fun. I closed a tiny bit to cover yesterday's loss. He's back to streaming today, everyone who's wondering. He had 8 hours of calls yesterday afternoon. So yeah, but he's back to streaming today, so you can look forward to that. We have been on for 2.5 hours now, so yeah, we've been having a good time today, and luckily we have been able to catch a lot of excitement on today's stream because we have got a nice bit of volatility coming into the market now. So, yeah, we'll see what happens with this. We can get rid of this now. We could probably keep that diagonal on there if we wanted to, but I'm going to get rid of that. More focused on seeing if we do push down even further. Let's see what's happening with XRP. So, we are coming in to retest. There you go. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. So, for those of you that was in, well done. For those of you that wasn't, we covered this lower time frame on XRP not too long ago, and obviously discussed it bouncing in this region here. What did we come into? Come into it and bounced. So that would have been a perfect scalp for you. I mean, if we push back to the upside, obviously you could hold it a bit longer. But if you would have taken that, that would have been a great scalp. We went all the way back up to 324 from there. So yeah, perfect scalp opportunity. Thanks to Stonksy's automated SR lines. Just another day at the office. Bouncing back. I don't know how long it will be bouncing back for. I don't know how long it'll be bouncing back for, like. I think it's too early to suggest that we just bounce clear off here. However, I suppose it has come in and retested this, hasn't it, from yesterday? Sort of where it was finding resistance yesterday. So maybe. I still would like to see this. As you can see here, 10-minute chart. Stonksy caught the drop down immensely as well on the 10-minute chart. The background went red there. And then we did get the bearish arrow up above as well. So that's sort of like a double bearish confirmation there. We had the background color change. And then we had the bearish arrow come in as well. And then, yeah, bang, drop down. So, yeah, another win for Stonksy. But, yeah, that bounce is really getting absorbed now, isn't it? It's really getting absorbed, that bounce. Potentially people are looking to long too early, maybe. I'm not too sure. Potentially it might be too early. In fact, ignore me. I'm going live on Crypto Lifer channel at 4:30. So yeah, so TMG is going to be live on the Crypto Lifer channel at 4:30. So if you do want to catch him on there, you can catch him on there. And he'll be going live on his own channel tonight. So yeah, do make sure that you catch him for that. Obviously, you'll see him tweet about it, post it in his Telegram groups, all that good stuff. So do make sure you join him for that tonight. It'll be great. Is he the US guy? Yeah, he is. So he's this guy. I'm guessing, yeah. So yeah, TMG will be live on this channel at 4:30 UK time, so in an hour and a half. If you do want to catch him on there, and then he'll be live on his own channel tonight. So yeah, it should be good. But yeah, do make sure that you join TMG's stream tonight. And yeah, it's just another example of why Stonksy is so good. So hope to see some of you converted over. Let me know in the chat if you don't have Stonksy and what after you've seen today you're going to get it. It'd be great to know. Alternatively, let me know if you wasn't signed up to BLOFIN and you've gone and signed up. I'd like to know if any of you guys are following on from what I'm saying. It'd be good to know so I can give you some recognition in the chat. One, if you wasn't a Stonksy user and you're going to sign up, and two, if you've signed up to BLOFIN. And if no one says anything, then I'm going to be quite sad. Do you know Casper SMC? Says ICT. I'm guessing that is... Well, I don't. Dave, do you like the royal family? No. I like the royal family, spelled ROYLE. The show. I like the show, the royal family. I don't like the royal family. I like Harry, but I don't like the rest of them. No. Do you? Do you like the royal family? I think the royal family TV show is better than the royal family that we have in London. That's for sure. Jim Royal should definitely be king. Should definitely be king of the country. Put the kettle on, Anthony. Yeah, put the kettle on, Anthony. Reggie says, I opened BLOFIN today. Yes, Reggie. Anyone else? Anyone else? If you haven't, first link in the description, or I have put it in the chat as well. Anyone else going to follow Reggie and let me know that you've been an absolute legend and open BLOFIN today with the Stonksy link? Or let me know if you've signed up to Stonksy. Crypto Lifer always calls TMG the martini guy. I wonder if he'll correct him. I bought a desk treadmill because of Casper. I like Harry. I think the rest are benefits scroungers. Yeah. Yeah, the rest of them are horrific, aren't they? Harry's the best. Harry's by far the best. There's no real wonder that he wanted to get away from it all. There's no wonder that he wanted to get away from it all. I would want to get away from it all as well. Oh wow, no, I've never heard of this guy. A drug mafia guy? No, never heard of it. Megan is cool. Yeah. Yeah, just got attacked by the UK media. Oh wow, what a shock. What a shock. The UK media goes after someone who's not done anything wrong. Never seen that before, have we? The UK media are just poisonous. Absolutely. The only good UK media is GB News. That's it. The only UK media anyone should watch or listen to is GB News. It's the only impartial, realistic, non-censored news channel. Waiting for my 1 minute stonks, he said, Reggie. Yes, Reggie. Andrew is a N. I don't think I can say that word on stream, can I? But yes, I agree. Yeah. Old sausage fingers. Old sausage fingers, eh? Charles. They're horrific people, aren't they? They are horrific people. Reggie is asking Jordan if he fancies Megan. If you go on YouTube and type in how inbred the royal family is, there is a really interesting video about how inbred they are. So there you go. If anyone wanted to know just how inbred the royal family are, if you go in and type it in on YouTube, then there is a video on there. All UK media capitulates to Israel, says Scotty. Sweet. BLOFIN just confirmed they've updated the referral link. What do you mean, Jay? Have you just signed up to it? Have you just signed up to it? Is that what you mean? Let me know. This was the previous message. No, there's only one man that can save the UK. There's only one man that can save the UK. Let's see if TMG says it first. There's only one man that could possibly save the UK at the moment, because have you seen what Labour's next plans are? They're what are they doing now? They're doing, oh, what was it? I seen it this morning. They're doing something else. They're just ruining the country, aren't they? Oh, that's it. They're scrapping ICE. They're scrapping no tax on ISIS, aren't they? They're scrapping no tax on ISIS, I think. They're absolutely ruining the country. I don't know what's going on there, but they need to get out as fast as possible. There's only one person that can save the UK now. Otherwise, we are going to turn into a third world country. Otherwise, the UK will soon be a third world country. Fact. Reggie says Labour will be out by the summer. Not soon enough, is it? It's not soon enough. It could tax the air you breathe. They would, yeah. Absolutely. They would. They'd probably just try and stop you breathing. That's probably what they'd do. But yeah, the only man that can save the UK is Nigel Farage. Reform needs to get in. Reform needs to be elected in the next general election. Otherwise, the UK is absolutely screwed for the very, very, very long term. And XRP is pumping. And thank you to Stonksy. There we go. We had this outlined before. So here's another reason why you should join Stonksy. Before we got the dump down, we outlined XRP bouncing at the support line that Stonksy drew out. What happened? We came down, tested it, held above, and we are now bouncing to the upside as I drew on the arrow. Played out perfectly. There we go. And we are bouncing significantly. So, there you go. More evidence for why you should get Stonksy. That just that one quick scalp could have probably paid for your whole monthly cost of Stonksy, and then the rest would have been free of charge because you would have already paid for it with this trade. So there you go. No, I didn't see that. No, I didn't see that, but it doesn't surprise me at all. Can you tell a stable coin that doesn't need any other coin? Can you tell a stable coin that doesn't need any other token for gas fee? Yeah. You just wait. What do you mean? Just a hold? Just go on to BLOFIN and buy stables. Just go on to BLOFIN and buy stables. What do you mean? If you want to send it across networks, then the best one to probably have is USDC or USDT on Solana because it's just so cheap and fast. You could also have it on like an L2, like Base or something. That's equally, as fast. But if you want to send it on a network, then you will have to have the tiniest amount. But you could have like 50 cents of Solana and you'd be fine sending it. Some bounce on Sol from Stonksy's support line. I'm using Bybit, but have to sign up to BLOFIN. Yes, Greg, make sure you do, mate. It's a non-KYC account as well. Non-KYC on BLOFIN. But it's great to know that we bounced on Sol from a Stonksy support line. And I will drop that Stonksy link to sign up to BLOFIN in the chat again. But yeah, Greg, it'd be great to have you over at BLOFIN. So yeah, do make sure you sign up, mate, and let me know. There we go. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. Yeah, XRP is by far the most interesting coin at the moment, isn't it? I mean, a stable coin that's got its own chain, so I don't need any other token like Sol, ETH. No, you won't find that anywhere, mate. You won't find that anywhere. You will have to have the smallest amount. You will have to have the smallest amount of a token to use a network. But there's nothing wrong with just having 50 cents of Solana, is there? Like, you don't need much Solana at all. It's really, really small amount. But I hope you've all enjoyed the stream today. It's been absolutely fantastic. And yeah, do drop a like and subscribe if you're new. We've done nearly 3 hours, so we'll probably call it time there, I think. I'm getting very, very hot in this bandana now. And I need to go and comb my hair. It's looking a bit messy after streaming, innit? It's looking a bit messy now, so I need to go and comb my hair. Looking very, very messy. It's about convenience. Yeah, I know what you mean. But yeah, you will have to have it. You will have to have it. What I normally do is on my Solana wallets, I just have just like a couple tens of cents in each one, in each wallet, just so then I can just readily swap. But yeah, we will leave it there. Do make sure that you sign up to BLOFIN and Stonksy, both in the description. If you sign up to Stonksy, obviously you get full indicator access. You'll get access to the trading bot on BLOFIN, and I'll see you in the Discord. But yeah, until tomorrow's stream, enjoy the rest of your day. Keep making profits, and yeah, hopefully, I'll see you in the Stonksy Discord if you sign up. Peace out.